Coach, hey, we're looking at an attic space here, and I want you to see, this is a remodel, I want you to see this receptacle here. You have to have a convenience receptacle for any appliance. If it is located in an attic or crawl space or exterior, you have to have a convenience receptacle, I believe, within 50 feet of any appliance, water heater, AC unit, what have you. However, the code does not require this upstairs attic space to be on a Gfci. This happens to be a Gfci, which it exceeds code because, again, code requires it in basements. It requires Gfci protection in wet areas, what have you. But an attic space is not one of those conditions per NEC. Now, you can obviously do that. You could have a whole house Gfci. But this is an example of going above code.